Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Ford Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to install these Raptor lights here on the new F150s. This is a 2021 F150 XLT. They specifically have these types of grills, and they sell this really cool LED light that you can install. It's really easy to do. I'll show you step by step. There's not a lot of information out there, and the instructions that it came with are super basic. So I'll show you the steps that I did to get these things installed. It took me less than 30 minutes and just a couple basic tools. So let's jump right to it. So here they are installed. They're very clean looking. They actually have this plate right here behind, helps with the clips that secure them in. The kit that I have the link for in the bottom there, they come with 5, but we decided to do 3 on here, and you could always easily throw in the other 2 now that everything's wired in. But we wanted to go for the 3 right here. In case you have any questions about these tires and wheels, hit me up in the message. I'll put some stuff on them in the description. These have the matte inside with the gloss lip methods, and then they have those Toyos MTs. Really, really good look on this 2021 F150 XLT. And again, these are for the XLT grills. These light kits are specifically made for this, and they're really quick to put in. And the cool part about it is that they actually have a harness adapter, which means that you do not have to do any splicing, and you can easily take them out and put it right back to stock if you wanted to. So let's get right to it. So one of the first things you want to do is open up the hood and locate this plastic cover that goes between the grill and the actual frame of the truck. It should be held on by some of these little plastic clips. You can easily remove them with a flathead screwdriver. They also sell tools, which I'll put a kit on there for Amazon, link down there if you want it. But these things can be easily removed with just like a flathead screwdriver. Once you pop these out, there should be about 13 of them. There is 2 in this little air vent right here by the driver's side. But once you get all those off, you can then remove the panel, and this lets you actually reach behind the grill a little bit. One of the most important things here is make sure that you have them numbered properly, meaning 1 from the passenger side, 2, 3, 4, 5 going towards the driver's side. I figured out that this is also listed in the instructions, but it is important because they fit specifically to those openings. So if you're just gonna do number 2, 3, and 4, make sure that you're doing 2, 3, and 4 lights, and they will fit better. So the first one went in really easy. The one in the center did take a little bit of maneuvering from behind, but again, I was able to do it without removing the grill off. And then obviously the third one, or number 4, went in just as easily as the number 2 one did. Once you have all 3 of these connected, you can then put your wiring harness here. The wiring harness looks like it's made very well. It has weather sealed clips or plugs that go in. Plug them in accordingly. You will have the extra ones if you decide to do just 3 instead of 5. But lay this across the top. You can kind of see where the adapter is towards the driver's side. We can then access the plug to the driver's side headlight. To get to that driver's side headlight, you need to open up the wheel well on the driver's side. There's 2 down here on the lower bottom side of the fender, and then there's 2 as you move up the edge. By removing those 4, it should allow you to pull that flap back enough to get your hand up in there, and you can see the driver's side headlight plug kind of up and to the left. And you can reach in from the fender and actually grab them and bring them in. These plug adapters are actually long enough to go all the way out, so there's plenty of room and slack to do this connection. What I was able to do is feed these plugs down through a small void between the frame and the grill. The driver's side plug is removed. You plug that into the receiving side of the adapter, and then you put that plug from the adapter into the light. That pulls just the right wires, or the right positive and negative, so that these tie into your running lights. They will come on all day, all night, just as the factory running lights do. So that's how you get that look day or night for these things to be on. It's already done for you with this adapter kit. After you do that, you can then put all the screws back in, you can put the flap back on, put all your clips back in, and you're ready to go. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a really easy installation, as you can see. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of stuff on my channel, DIY related, whether it's around the house or on your vehicles. If you guys have any questions, put them there in the description or in the comment box. I reply to all the comments on there. And if there's anything you want to see specifically or more in detail, let me know and I'll make it for you. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next build.